Hello everyone. Today we'll start the new chapter, Sets and Venn diagrams. What are sets? We have talked about number sets until now. We have collected things together and analyzed their common properties. But in this chapter, we'll see better in more details what are sets and what are their properties. So what's the point? Sets are used in many areas of math, so much so that they are sometimes called the building blocks of the subject. Basic ideas about sets are used by many scientists to assist in sorting. So they are used to sorting things. For example, biologists use such ideas when they try to classify 34,000 species of spider, which they sort into some 100 families. Okay, so we need sets to sort things. So let's see what is a set. A set is a collection of things with a common feature. Okay, collection of elements which are well defined, have a common feature. For example, a set of four-legged animals. Okay, each thing in a set is called a member of set. Okay, for example, a camel is a member of the set of four-legged animals. Okay, we have some examples. For example, the set of trees, the set of balls, the set of birds, the set of ice creams. Okay, so they must have something in common. How to describe a set? To save time writing the set of, we use curly brackets. For example, the set of ice creams can be shown as ice creams in this way, or the set of whole numbers from 1 to 10 can be shown, so curly brackets 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, list all the numbers. This way of showing sets is called list method. Okay, let's make it. Okay, so this one is list method. It means you list all the members, all the elements of the set with a curly bracket. List method. Sometimes there are too many members in a set to list all of them. Sometimes we cannot list all of them. Again, we'll use the curly brackets, but we have to write the property of these elements in this bracket. This one is defining property. So the set of even numbers between 4 and 20,000, so there are a lot of numbers, so I cannot list them. So I will write the set of even numbers between 4 and 20,000. So this one is called as defining property. Okay, defining property way, the common property. Or the set of students in annual school, to list the name of all students is difficult, so we can write in words. Another way is by using this loop, okay? So we'll list all the elements and use this way, and this one is called as Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram. Okay, so the set of whole numbers from 1 to 10, we write all the elements inside and we take a circle around it. Or the set of fruits, you can put the fruits and draw a circle around it. Let's see one example. Describe these sets in your own words. There are given what? The names, Alice, Anne, Alison, Anya. So this one will be the set of girls' names beginning with A, okay, with letter A. At B, there are given the numbers 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63. So what is in common between these numbers? Why they are a set? And they are the multiples of 7 from 35 to 63. Okay, so they are a set because they are multiples of 7 from 35 to 63. So this one is the common property of them. There are some other concepts and symbols that we use in set. And one of them is to show when an element or a number is a member of a set or not. So if we have this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can say the 2 is a member of this set. And it is shown by this symbol. Okay, 2 is a member of the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so is a member of or is an element of. This symbol is important symbol. If we take the set of odd numbers between 0 and 10, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2 is not a member of this set anymore. Okay, so we can show it by using this symbol. 2 is not an element or not a member of the set 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, it is not a member, it is not an element. So element, it is not, it means we'll take a line on it, like it is equal or it is not equal. Okay. Another important concept is the empty set. What is empty set? From the word empty means the set which has no members. For example, the set of people with 3 heads. Okay, we don't have such a set. Or whole numbers between 1 and 2. We know that there is no whole number between 1 and 2. We have decimal numbers, but no, not whole numbers. So this kind of sets are called as empty set, and the symbol that is used to show the empty set is a circle with a line over it. Okay, so this one is the symbol for empty set. Now let's check which of these are empty sets. Whole numbers between 21 and 22. Is this one an empty set? Of course it is. We don't have whole numbers between 21 and 22, so this one is an empty set. Numbers ending in 1 that are divisible by 11. So number which has the last digit 1 and is divisible by 11. Can we have some examples? For example, 11 ends with 1, it is divisible by 11. Or 121, it ends with 1 and it is divisible by 11. So this set is not an empty set, it has elements. Years with 370 days. How many days do we have in a year? It is 365. So we don't have such a year. Okay, so this one is an empty set. Boys names beginning with A. Do we have boys names beginning with A? Of course we have. Even in our class we have Alexio or Alban. So it is not an empty set. Okay. Days of the week beginning with X. Do we have any day of the week beginning with X? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we don't have. So this one is an empty set. Rivers that run to the sea. Is this one an empty set? Rivers that run to the sea. We know that all the rivers run to the sea. Okay, they go to the sea at the end. So this one is not an empty set. Okay, so these ones are the concepts that you must learn for the next lesson. On Monday, we'll continue with Venn diagram and the properties of Venn diagram. I wish you all the best, and don't forget to practice on iExcel about this lesson. So have a nice weekend.